Get this exhaust off. There's 2 bolts there, but it's only, sorry, I'm going to take the tank off. There's 2 bolts. It's the left hand side one there, and there's 2 round this side as well. So just these 2 underneath here. I'll do them. I'll do this one first. For all 10 mils you have to pull the spark plug lead off just to get your spanner in. I've emptied the fuel already, so I'll just undo the other side. Now I was going to lift it up, pull the lead off it, that's come straight off. So anyway, if you look there, there's your hose and your hose clip. It is a bit tougher to get it in. Sometimes you have to take it off the carb side to feed it back in, to pull it up and then feed it back down. But on these, there's a filter there. I think it's 12mm again. If I can find it. So it is 12mm. Probably best to replace this. That's it, it's just a filter. Supposed to be an O-ring in the bit middle of that, but it's missing. So I'll have to get a new O-ring for this one. But that's your internal tank filter. And if you turn it around, you have like a sediment bowl on the carb, which is there. I think it's 10mm. Sometimes you have a filter in here, but there isn't one. We want to clean that out as well. Sometimes there is a filter in there, but there ain't in this one. So that's it.